Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use snipping tool on your MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. So snipping tool is quite popular on Windows, however it is not that much popular on MacBook, but we have a snipping tool access on the MacBook. So we need to use a command, we need to use a shortcut option. So I'm going to tell you the shortcut, that is command shift and 4. So I'm going to this screen and I will press command shift and 4 from the MacBook keyboard, command shift and 4, and as you can see the pointer turns to this, to this pointer. So this pointer will actually select the area for which you want to, I means it will snip, it will act as a snipping tool. So we need to, so right now as you can see on the whole screen it is coming just like this one. Now you need to click and hold, then drag it to make the selection. So I'm going to click here, then I'm holding it. Now I will drag on my mouse pad, so that I can make a selection here just like this. So suppose I have made a selection. Now I will leave the click and it will take a screenshot. You can hear the sound. Now the screenshot will be saved on the desktop. So I'm going to the desktop and you can see the screenshot right here. I'm going to open it. You can see it has taken the screenshot uh, on the desktop. So this is how you can use the snipping tool on your MacBook Pro and MacBook Air. You simply need to press command shift and 4, and then you can make a selection and you can take the screenshot. So thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you.